Nathan, what are you eating? You're eating? You're eating what? What you're eating? Or you're eating Quaker oatmeal cookies. Here. Oh, this is, the flavor is chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. Quaker. Quaker oatmeal cookies. Chocolate chip. Oh, you like it, me love? You hold. This is your favorite, na? This is your favorite cookie, na? Me love? Oh, it's yummy, no? Oh, Nathan. Si Nathan, nag-i-enjoy siya sa niya. Sa bagong oatmeal cookie niya. You like it, me love? Ha? Gusto niya. Nagustuhan niya. Oh, no. You like it, me love? Gusto niya. Mommy will buy again, ha? Mommy will buy so many Quaker oatmeal cookies, okay? Alam ko may iba-ibang flavors pa to eh. May, yun yung isang plastic na yon, mayroon siyang ilang pack siya, tapos may iba-ibang flavor. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo guys mamaya. You like it, me love? Oh, wow, no more? Oh, no. Hala, gusto niya. Oh, no, kasi inano niya eh. Buo. You bite only. Do not swallow everything. Come here, me love. You bite only. Inano niya, niluwa niya kasi hindi naman niya kaya. You bite only, me love. Oh, no. What's that? Goodbye.
Oh, a cheese.
Yes, that's a cheese. Oh, no, this is not the cheese. This is a chocolate cookie. A small bite only, me love. A small bite. Again.
Okay. 1 liter. Di mo 1 liter na. Do I need 2 liters?
You finished your your oatmeal cookie.